Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are well. Today we are going to learn EVS of grade 4. The name of the lesson is The Animal Kingdom. After studying this chapter, you will be able to understand the identification of similarities and differences between human beings and animals. And also you will be understand the relationship between human beings and animals. Okay, let's begin. Before going to lesson, first we have to understand the meaning of kingdom. Usually, kingdom means a country whose ruler is a king or a queen. But here, kingdom means where the animals live in a particular environment. That means where the animals stay. Okay. In your previous class, you have learnt about different animals. You know that birds and insects are also animals. Do you know that we, the human beings, are also animals? Children, let us see the similarities between human beings and animals. Can you see the slide? Okay. Human beings and animals. Some of the similarities are given in the chart. See here. Human beings move from place to place. Animals also move from place to place. We need food to live. Animals also need food to survive. We give birth to young ones. Animals also give birth to young ones. We live in shelter. Animals also live in shelter. We have thinking capacity. Animals also have thinking capacity. Understood? Some of the similarities are given in the chart. Okay, now see. For that, some of the pictures are given here. Children are playing. Animals are running. The family eating together. Squirrel is eating a fruit. And here, already I told you while informing the similarities, animals and also human beings give birth to young one. So, the picture is here. And we live in shelter. In the same way, animals also live in shelter. Now, I think you understood the similarities of animals and yourself. Now, we will understand the difference between human beings and animals. Okay? Now, see the differences. We have 2 legs. Animals have 4 legs. We don't have tail. Cows have tail. Okay? We wear clothes. Cows don't wear clothes. We don't have horns. Cows have horns. These are some of the differences. Understood, children? From your surroundings, you can see these differences daily. Yes or no? Okay. Now, I will give you one activity. Okay? Here is one activity. Her name is Vanaja. She is of class 4. She is a smart girl. She has made a list of animals that she saw when she went on a field trip with her teacher. But she has forgotten to write their size, color, food and dwelling. So, shall we help her? Okay. Before going to know the size, color, food of animals, we have to know the meaning of dwelling. Do you know the meaning of dwelling, children? Dwelling means where the animals live. Okay. Now, In the next slide, I will give the answers. See here. Name of the animal, size, color, food and dwelling is given. First one is cow. Size is big. Color, white or black, any colors. Whatever you saw from your surroundings, you can write there. Food, grass. I wrote here grass. Dwelling is shed. Fish. Some are big, some are small. Okay. Color is, I wrote here all colors. Food of fish is insects and dwelling is water. In the same way, I wrote some other examples for crane, butterfly, monkey, garden lizard, rabbit. Okay, for garden lizard, you must have seen a garden lizard around your home. Next time, whenever you see it, observe carefully, okay, and find out what it takes for food. Is the food different from that of a house lizard? Yes. Try to answer for this. And next is rabbit. Rabbit is size is small and color is white or brown and it eats carrot and place of habitat is hutch. Okay. Now here some of the fill in the blanks given. We will see. A few animals like fish live in water. Monkeys, birds and insects live on land. Many animals like cows and sheep live on land. Okay. Based on the animals eat their food, the animals are classified into three groups. Herbivorous animals, carnivorous animals and omnivorous animals. Okay children. See here. Animals which eat the products of plants. Animals which eat the products of plants only, such as grass and leaf, are called herbivores. Animals which eat flesh, egg and other products of animals are called carnivores. For example, lion, tiger, cheetah, whatever you know you can write. They are all carnivorous animals. Animals which eat products of both plants and animals are called omnivores. Human beings are best example for this omnivorous group. Okay. See here. And next, from which animal is the milk used in your house got from? Yes, the milk which we use in our home will get from the cows, buffaloes, isn't it? Next, make a list of the food items used in your house. Vegetables, yes, cereals, meat, pulses, fruits, spices. Okay, here some are plant sources and some are animal sources. And next question, write 5 uses of animals to us. Shall we see? Okay, first example uses. Dog guards our house. Hen gives us egg. Fish gives us meat. Sheep gives us wool and meat. And cow gives us milk. Okay. Next activity. Uses of animals we have to write. Here you can see the picture, isn't it? So let us write the uses of animals in the space provided in the picture. Just take it, copy and try to write answers. See this picture. Okay. Left side of the picture we can see a bird eating worms. Okay, because the food of birds is worms or insects. It keeps the environment clean. Right side we can see honeybees. They gives us honey. And ox helps in plowing the field. Horse are used in horse carriages. And next is, you can see fishes. Fishes eat insects. in water and keeps the water clean. Cow gives us milk, isn't it? Okay, next picture is sheep. Sheep gives us wool and meat. And last one is dog guards our house. Okay. Do you rear animals like dog, cats, parrots, cows or any pets in your house which you take care? Okay, then you know the animals clearly. Now see this chart. Riddles are given here. So they are very interesting. These riddles are very interesting thing. Okay, let us solve these. I have colorful feathers. I am the village clock. Who am I? Try this. I am big with a large belly. I have tails both at the front and at the back. I have a very small, smart body, long ears and small whiskers. I hop swiftly. I climb the top of the tree where no one can climb. I eat fruits. I am the ant of the tiger. I eat rats. For this, shall we see the answer? Okay. See. For the first one, the correct answer is cock. Second one, C, horse. Third one, I have a very small, smart body, long ears and small whiskers. I hop swiftly. For that, the answer is rabbit. For fourth one, I climb the top of the tree where no one can climb. I eat fruits. For this, the answer is monkey. And last one, I am the ant of the tiger. I eat rats. For this, answer is cat. Okay, now I think you understood about similarities between human beings and animals. Size, color, food, dwelling of some animals, and herbivores, carnivores and omnivores animals, uses of animals, and also riddles. Okay, if you want next lessons, please check out in my channel, and if you like this video, if this video is helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this.